speaking of businesses, so this is my mom's business. Guys, this is a little sneak peek. Oh no. Okay, so I had it with me, but no, do the other way. I had it with me, but okay, so she has a workshop coming up. It's called Color Your Calm. It's gonna be so cool. Look, so in the package you'll get fake money, and then so these are Tammy dollars that my mom made. Like, isn't that so cool? Let me show you so you can see it like up close. Yeah, so you get that, and you get like a whole bunch in a cute little envelope. And then we have, so like this is just like setting up for it. And we have cute little snack packs. Look at how cool these are! She did this herself. Look, so you'll get cute little, so these are probiotic mixed berry yogi things. Then we have these chocolate bars. So it's called, so this is called chocolate care. Because, you know, to care for yourself, you need a little chocolate. And then at the back, you still have the nutritional values, and you have what kind of chocolate you're getting. So we have that one, and then like here's, these are called aligned almonds. So we have some little almond packs. And then we also, obviously you need chips, so we have some little chips going on here. This is it for my sneak peek, but guys, I'm gonna tag her businesses. Go, she hasn't uploaded it yet, but she will put a link in her bios, because she has 3 companies, to sign up for her workshop. It's happening Saturday, March 14th at the Rockcliffe Community Center. It's going to be so much fun. And guys, a little extra pull, I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be performing my songs that I wrote. So I'm going to have a little concert moment. Not a real concert thing, it's more for like a little ambiance thing. So as like people are coming in, I'm gonna be playing and singing and la 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 la. It's gonna be fun vibes. And you're gonna meet different people, and we already have like some people signed up and they're excited. So get your tickets, it's gonna be so much fun, and I really hope to see you there. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or message my mom. She's a pretty fun vibe. I'm just a miniature version of her. If you think I am extravagant, you haven't even met my mother, the Queen Tammy. Anyways, she's awesome, so I hope you can come. Yes, love y'all, bye.